Everyone is asking what is the price of Bitcoin and Ethereum doing. In this video, we'll be taking an analysis of Bitcoin and Ethereum charts so we are well informed of what to do and the positions to take. First, we look at Bitcoin and you can see we have been moving sideways. We have been moving sideways for the past couple of days and we have been getting stopped out around 109,700 thereabouts, and we have formed a support around the 107,700. This is making us understand that we are moving within this range and we are gearing up for a violent move to the upside. If we get and we continue to face further resistance at these levels of 108,600, we should expect a pull back to test the support of around 106, 105,000 levels before we make a decision, and we are anticipating a move to the upside. Looking at the other charts I have on Bitcoin, similarly the same thing, and it respected our bull flag. We pumped out of the bull flag and we faced resistance around the $109,000 levels, and now we are testing the support of the bull flag of around 108, $100,000 levels. So this is telling us there's still further upside movement to go. And looking at the fundamental and a lot of news that is coming up, a lot of institutions starting Bitcoin, a lot of institutions starting Ethereum, this is telling us this is just waiting game that institutions and the market makers are playing on a lot of traders to see who capitulates, and we are not going to fold because we know where we are going and we are anticipating the move in the near future. And that is what we have really positioned ourselves, especially on the Ethereum chart, because I believe Ethereum is going to move much more violently than Bitcoin. So there's a lot of upside and a lot of money to be made on Ethereum. And we have set our limit orders. Ethereum too moving sideways. Looking at the RSI is looking sideways. And looking at the trade we took yesterday, it has not been triggered. It's still open, but we still maintain it, because we believe that will come out and Ethereum might get stopped out at the resistance. When it faces resistance, it will come to the bottom, and that is when our trade will be triggered around the price of 2,470 for an upside move, like you can see with the long I've drawn here. So we enter at 2,400, the highs of 2,470 with tight stop loss of around 2,390 and a take profit of around 2,750. This is what we are looking at Ethereum, and we are anticipating the move, because as traders we should be anticipating the next move that is going to happen, and that's the way we'll be able to take a trade and to beat the market, because a lot of times they move violently and we might not be sitting in front of the computer in order to capture and to make that quick trade immediately. Looking at the crypto bubbles, you can see a lot of altcoins are right now in the red, just so similar like what I said initially. A lot of traders look at this and they think, oh, we are going down and it's not happening, nothing is happening in the market. They give up and they just go to face other things. But that's not what we are seeing. We are seeing a lot of market makers trying to scare a lot of retail out of the market, not to take trades, to see a lot of red like this, to go out of the market. And by the time the prices start to move, it will be too late for you. And this is what we are trying to capture. Even looking at the fear and greed index, we have gone down from the high of yesterday, now at 65, and this is what we are seeing. Also looking at the liquidation levels, pretty much is about the same between longs and shorts. So this is what we are seeing in the market. This is the levels we have anticipated to test support of Bitcoin before a pull to the upside. And Ethereum, we are looking at the testing of the support of around 2,470 before we make a move to the upside. If you want to trade like me and you want to join in my trades and you want to make money like us, join us on Hashedge platform, where you can trade up to 200 crypto assets and make 80% of your profits. This is the advantage we offer on Hashedge, and this is how a lot of us have gone from zero to Ferrari. And right here, you are watching my journey go from zero to Ferrari. I hope you are taking advantage of the trades, of the positions, of the stop, of the support and resistance that I've been able to spot to make money from these volatile assets. I'll see you in the next video. Hopefully, we make a move so you can see how we are making money. Peace.